guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to do the exercises on past continuous tense. In case you have missed out the explanation of the past continuous tense, you can see using the link below in the description box. So in this exercise you have to look at these pictures and what these people are were doing at 3 o'clock yesterday afternoon, and what were they doing. So you have to write two sentences denoting for each picture. For example, Anne was at home yesterday and she was watching TV. Carol and Jack were at cinema. They were watching TV. They were watching the film. Okay, talking about Tom. So Tom was outside. Okay, or Tom was outside. He was driving a car. Let's see what Catherine was doing. Catherine was at the station. She was waiting for the train. Next, Mr. and Mrs. Hall were at the park. They were walking. So now, Sarah is doing. Sarah did a lot of things yesterday morning, and you have to look at these pictures and recognize what task was she doing yesterday morning. Okay, you have to look at the timing, and then you have to relate that timing to the pictures, right? So at 9:45, she was washing a car. So see, 9:45, between this time she was washing a car. Now what about 11:45? Now what about the 11? Now let us see what she was doing at 11:45. She was swimming. So she was swimming at this time. So she was swimming is the answer. Now let us see what she was doing at 9 o'clock. So between 8:30 and 9:10 she was reading the newspaper. At 12:45 she was cooking lunch. At 8:15 the time between 8:10 and 8:25 she was having the breakfast. At 8:15, exactly 8:15 she was having her breakfast. At 10:30 she was listening to the radio. So now what you have to do is you have to complete these questions using was and were plus verb 1 plus ing. Obviously you have to see the answer and relate to it. For example, I am in London. How you will ask using the past continuous tense, where were you living in London in 1990? Where were you living in 1990? So the answer is in London. You do dash at 2 o'clock. I was asleep. Were you sleeping at 2 o'clock? Or what were you doing at 2 o'clock? It rained. When you got up? No, it was sunny. Okay. Was it raining when you got up? Anne dashed so far because she was in hurry. Was Anne driving the car so fast? Tim wear a suit yesterday. Okay. Was Tim wearing a suit yesterday? No. T-shirt and jeans. Now here what you have to do is look at the picture, and the person known as Joe was in the street yesterday afternoon. What he was doing, you have to write the positive and the negative sentences regarding this character. So number 1, was he wearing a jacket? No, he wasn't wearing a jacket. Carry a bag. Yes, he was carrying a bag. Go to the dentist. He wasn't going to dentist, or he was not going to the dentist. Eat an ice cream. So yes, he was eating an ice cream that time. Look at the picture. He is eating ice cream. No, so he was eating an ice cream in the past. Carry an umbrella. He was not carrying an umbrella. Go home. He was shopping, so he was not going home. So he was not going home. Wear a hat. He was wearing a hat. Ride a bicycle. No, he was not riding a bicycle. He was not riding a bicycle is the answer. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.